Welcome back to the channel, Chasers. If you're new here, we love if you guys would hit that subscribe button and join the Stamp Chasers family. If you can see by the title of this video, we have a tour of a one-bedroom executive suite at Minneapolis Marriott Northwest. This video was filmed in May of 22. We flew into MSP, or Minneapolis St. Paul International Airport. The airport is approximately 26 miles from the hotel, and the physical address of the hotel is 7025 Northland Drive North, Brooklyn Park, Minnesota 55428. Here's another view of the lobby. At this hotel, there is plenty of on-site parking. There's also an indoor swimming pool, a hot tub, a gym, and the business center. Boundary Waters Cafe. Now we're walking further into the lobby, and as you can see, there is plenty of seating options. Right off of I-94, the Minneapolis Marriott Northwest has many nearby attractions, including Target and the shops at Arbor Lakes. Moreover, this hotel has great event space to accommodate sizable meetings and large groups. During our stay, we observed a bridal party taking their photos near the hotel lobby fireplace. Okay, let's take a ride up. There are 8 floors in this hotel, and our room is located on the 6th floor. As we exit the elevator, we're going to make a right turn. Our room is right at the end or the corner before the next set of rooms. The Minneapolis Marriott Northwest is listed as an all-suite hotel featuring 230 smart and spacious guest suites with separate living rooms and bedrooms, each with its own HD TV. Here's the one-bedroom executive suite, room number 617, and right around the corner was the ice machine. As you enter into the executive suite, here's the dining space and table, and you're able to look right into the separate living room. And we're going to walk over, and we see there's a built-in tabletop or bar with coffee station, an ice bucket, and the refrigerator. The executive suite offers a larger floor plan, which worked perfectly for this trip because it accommodated 3 adults nicely. Moving over to the desk or workstation area, we can see there's a sufficient number of outlets for charging of devices. We're going to take a peek. This is actually a side view of the parking lot from the hotel. Okay, let's spin around here so you can see the view of the dining room from the living room. Then we're going to move right into the bathroom and take a peek inside. The vanity is pretty long in size, and there's also additional counter space for cosmetics or to apply your makeup. Here's the full-length mirror, commode, and shower. Lastly, let's head back and check out the bedroom. There's the second flat screen, a chair. This is a good space because it has many windows, which lets in lots of natural light. So we're going to check out this closet, and we can see some hangers, an iron, the safe, luggage rack, and additional pillows, and a comforter at the top. Hall to the living room, and let's take a peek out the window, and this is a view of the highway, and the other side, we can see the same parking lot we saw from the living room. And on this side of the bed by the window is where the iPod docking station was. Okay, we're going to just wrap up our tour and head out. And overall, we enjoyed our stay here. We were comfortable. And this, again, accommodated 3 adults nicely. And if you have any questions, please feel free to leave them in the comments. And until the next video, you have a blessed day.